Hello friends, I am Mr. Bhalerao sir, and as usual I welcome you in my channel, that is English for Learners. Someone says that success is a journey, not a destination. It's a truth. Friends, today we are going to learn one of the best poem, that is, What is the Success? This poem is written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. First of all, let's listen the paraphrase or summary of this poem in Marathi. प्रस्तुत कवितेमध्ये कवी राल्फ वॉल्डो इमर्सन यांनी यशाची व्याख्या केली आहे. त्यांच्या मते यश ही अशी गोष्ट आहे जिचे समाजातील प्रसिद्धी किंवा प्रतिष्ठा, पैसा यांच्याद्वारे मोजमाप करता येत नाही. पुढे जाऊन कवी ज्याच्यामुळे आपल्या आयुष्याला अर्थ देणाऱ्या आणि आयुष्य मौल्यवान करणाऱ्या गोष्टीविषयी बोलत आहे. जर एखादा सातत्याने हसत अथवा आनंदी असेल तर त्याला कवी यशस्वी म्हणतो आहे. कवीच्या मते यशामध्ये चांगले कृत्य करण्याची क्षमता, आदर प्राप्त करणे, ज्ञानी व विद्वान लोकांकडून मिळालेले कौतुक आणि त्याचबरोबर मुलांचे प्रेम यांचा समावेश होतो. जेव्हा एखाद्याचे समीक्षकाकडून कौतुक केले गेले आहे, निपक्षपातीपणे ज्याचे परीक्षण केले आहे आणि जे विश्वासघातकी मित्रांमुळे झालेल्या वेदना सहन करू शकले आहेत, अशांना देखील कवी यशस्वी म्हणतो आहे. कवीच्या म्हणण्यानुसार यशस्वी होणे याला दुसऱ्या अर्थाने आपल्या सभोवती असणाऱ्या सौंदर्याकडे पाहणे आणि प्रत्येकामधील चांगले व सकारात्मक विशेष गुण शोधणे हे होय. एखादा जन्माला आला त्यापेक्षा एखादा आपल्यातील चांगल्या गोष्टी मागे ठेवत गेला, अशी व्यक्ती यशस्वी आहे असे कवी पुढे म्हणतो. किंबहुना एखादी व्यक्ती एखादा सूक्ष्म बदल केला आहे, माणसाच्या आयुष्यात उभारी आणली आहे, लहान बाग तयार केली आहे किंवा समाजामध्ये चांगला बदल करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे, अशांना त्यांच्या आयुष्यात यश मिळाले आहे असे कवी म्हणतो. कवी या निष्कर्षाप्रत येतो की एखाद्याच्या आयुष्यामध्ये अगदी लहानसा चांगला फरक दिसून आला तरी त्याला यश म्हणता येते. कवी असा विचार करतो की व्यक्तीचे असणे हे एखाद्याचे आयुष्य चांगले होण्यास मदत करणारे ठरते. शेवटी व्यक्ती म्हणू शकते की एखाद्याच्या आयुष्यावर माझा सकारात्मक प्रभाव पडला आहे. अर्थात अशी व्यक्ती देखील यशस्वी आयुष्य जगली असे म्हणता येते. लेट्स लिसन ऑडिओ ऑफ दिस पोएम. द नेम ऑफ द पोएम इज व्हॉट इज सक्सेस. What is success? To laugh often and much, to win the respect of intelligent people and the affection of children, to earn the appreciation of honest critics and endure the betrayal of false friends, to appreciate beauty, to find the best in others, to leave the world a bit better, whether by a healthy child, a garden patch, or a redeemed social condition. To know even one life has breathed easier because you have lived, this is to have succeeded. Pre-reading activities. Warming up. Question. Prepare a speech to deliver in an inter-school competition on how to achieve success in life with the help of the following web chart. Web chart is given on the screen as well as its answer is given there. Please watch it. What might success mean to the following people? Think about it and write. These people are a student, a businessman, a doctor, a sportsman, a politician, a person who has applied for a job, a teacher, a parent. Its answer is given on the screen. Please watch it. English workshop. Extract 1. Read the extract from line 1 to 14 on page 96 of your textbook and answer the following questions. Simple factual reading questions. 1. Choose the correct alternative. 1. The poet says that success is. Answer: to laugh often and much. 2. The poet wants us to dash. Answer: earn the appreciation of honest critics. 3. The poet wants us to appreciate dash. Answer: beauty. The poet wants us to leave the world a bit. Answer: better. Next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. 1. Success is to be able to see the good in oneself. Answer: false. 2. Success is to make life easier for others. Answer: true. Complex or understanding level questions. 1. Who wins the respect of intelligent people? Answer: a person who takes wise decisions and works for the benefits of everyone wins the respect of intelligent people. Next question. Who wins the affection of children? Answer: a person who is kind, sweet, and helpful wins the affection of children. Next question. Who is appreciated by honest critics? Answer: a person who puts in a lot of efforts, is not brought down by hindrance and performs really well against all odds, is appreciated by honest critics. Next question. What type of friends betrays a friend? Answer: a friend who is selfish and dishonest betrays a friend. Next question. Which line tells you that a parent, a good gardener, a social reformer are all successful people? Answer: the lines that tell us that a parent, a good gardener, a social reformer are all successful people are: to leave the world a bit better, whether by a healthy child, a garden patch, or a redeemed social condition. ... This is to have succeeded. Question for vocabulary. Give the synonym of the following. 1. Admire. Answer: respect. 2. Deserve. Answer: earn. 3. Tolerate. Answer: endure. 4. Earn. 4. Untrue. Answer: false. Next question. Give the meaning of the following words and use them in a sentence of your own. 1. Critics. Answer: critics, the people who analyze, judge, and give their opinion. Sentence: his parents were harsh critics of his performance. 2. Betrayal. Answer: cheating. Sentence: the king lost the war due to betrayal of his most trusted ministers. Personal response type question. Think of different type of people who have to face great difficulties. Write what you can do to help at least one of them. Answer: there are many people who have to face great difficulties, like people with physical disabilities, people who live in poverty, old people, etc. In order to make things easier for people who are poor, we can provide various aids to improve their standard of life, like free education to children till class 12th, basic food items like wheat, rice, etc. can be made available at cheaper rate for them. Their homes can be given a cemented roof and walls for free or negligible cost. These things can greatly help them survive and overcome their everyday problems. Question related to the language study. 1. How many sentences are there in the poem? Answer: there are 2 sentences in the poem. List all the 2 infinitive verb forms used in the poem. Answer: to laugh, to win, to earn, to appreciate, to find, to live, to know, to have, endure. Next question. Give the noun forms of the following: succeed, success; appreciate, appreciation; friendly, friend; beautiful, beauty. Question related to the activities. Writing. 1. Based on the poet's idea of true success, think of 4 people in your surroundings, your family, neighbors, friends, teachers, classmates, etc., who have achieved true success. Write in short what makes them successful. Please watch its answer on the screen. Next question. In your opinion, what things will help to make the world a better place? Discuss with your friend and write down at least 3 of these things. Answer is given. Please watch it on the screen. Next question. Prepare a set of questions to interview. 1. A famous author. Answer. A. How do you feel about overwhelming response that your new book has received? B. You missed the Booker Prize 3 years ago. Do you think that this book will get you closer to winning it this year? C. Are there any books that you are currently working on? D. What inspires you to write? E. Do you think that a writer has to be politically correct while writing a book? F. Do you think that your writings and your books leave an impact on your readers? G. Who is your favorite author? H. What message do you want to give to your readers? 2. a well-known social worker in your area? Answer is given on the screen. Please watch it. Friends, I'm sure you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestion for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Thank you.